G'day guys, Yosti from Iron Edge here. Today we're going to check out Iron Edge's range of premium bumper plates. Now the bumper plate is primarily used for Olympic lifting because the design allows you to let go and drop the weight from overhead without damaging your equipment. Now when it comes to sporting performance, there's a reason why the Olympic lifts are a compulsory part of any elite athlete's training program. Now this is because of the kinds of strength, speed and power development that you can achieve from utilising these lifts. Now if you're serious about your sport and high performance training and you're not doing Olympic lifts as part of your regular training program, then you're really putting yourself behind the 8 ball. Needless to say, the Iron Edge Premium Bumper Plate is an awesome way to get the absolute best from your Olympic lifts without going and spending a fortune and without damaging your equipment in the process. Now what you'll notice is that Iron Edge has designed these plates from a lot of those high-end plates out there. Now one of the things that these plates have in common with those high-end plates is the big steel zinc-plated insert in the centre. Now the reason why we go with this, and it's also a reason why it drives the cost of the plates up, is because that big disc distributes those impact forces a lot more evenly. So instead of having those on the cheaper bumpers, for example, that have the brass and the small steel inserts in the centre, all that impact force from when you're slamming and dropping it from overhead goes into that little surface area. So there's a reason why they end up deforming very fast, and in a lot of cases they actually work loose from the hub. Now these steel inserts are actually locked into the hub, they're locked into that rubber surround, so they're not going to work loose. They're going to last a lifetime and they're super strong because of that setup. Now also too, you'll notice that the Iron Edge bumper plate comes in its respective IWF colours, weight colour. So you'll notice that the red is in the 25, your blue is in the 20, your 15 is in the yellow and your 10 is in the green. So it's just easy to distinguish what weights are being used, as well as adding a bit of life to your lifting as well. In a lot of cases you're using those boring old grey or black plates that are out there. This just adds a bit of life. These plates are very accurate. They're within a 0.5% tolerance, so the weight, you can have confidence that the weight that is displayed is the weight that you're going to be using. So very accurate, as well as being super strong and durable. Under closer inspection, you'll notice that the Iron Edge Premium Bumper Plate varies in thickness between each plate. Now the yellow 15 at the top is 4.2 centimetres thick, your green 10 is 2.8, your blue 20 is 5.4 and your 25 red is 6.1 centimetres thick. So there's a little bit of a variance in the thickness of the plates. Also too, you'll notice that the hole in the centre is 50.4 millimetres in diameter, so that's going to fit nice and snugly on all of your Olympic bars, unlike some of those cheaper bumper plates out there that end up actually rattling around. The Iron Edge Premium Bumper Plate comes in the same size as all of your IWF plates that are out there, so 450 mils in diameter. So if you're a competitive weightlifter, you don't have to worry about going and readjusting your technique between your training plate and your competition plate, so very handy. These plates are low bounce as well, so they're not going to kick up like a lot of your cheaper bumpers out there, which is the last thing you want. If you've got a bumper that's kicking up high and it's bouncing around uneven, you run the risk of bending your bar or damaging your bar. So these things are going to prolong the life of your equipment and your barbells. Now these plates are absolutely perfect for weightlifting clubs. They're also great for gyms, commercial gyms and home gyms, for example. Great for PT studios as well as schools and sporting clubs. Iron Edge has done an amazing job to create a high-end, top-quality plate that's super durable at a fraction of the cost of a lot of those high-end plates that are out there. I'm not too sure how they've done it, but they've done an amazing job. For more information about the Iron Edge Premium Bumper Plate, don't forget to check out ironedge.com.